Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm looking at my L series head unit that is in Japanese. Now initially I've been looking around to try and get this replaced. My original mind was not to replace it because do you know what, the Toyota head units are actually quite good, even though there's the Chinese versions, Malaysian versions, wherever they are, they come in and they're actually, you know, they come with a lot of functionality, but you never quite seem to get what they're advertising. But this Toyota unit will be using the best silicon chips, etc., and the best software, which is designed for this machine. It's not been just put in here lightly. Yes, a little bit old, and yes, it's in Japanese, but do you know what? It's actually quite easy to work out. You just need time with your Google Translate. So today I'm going to be looking at how to adjust the sonar. So we're going to go to this one here, a second along, which is the settings, and this is on a Toyota head unit 26041. So we've gone to this area here, we've pressed the settings. We're going to go to this one over here next to the G-Book, across here. Sonar setting is not this one, it's this one. So we press into that and you can see the distance. I believe this one is for distance where the sonars work. This one here is, if you, it says when you Google Translate it, it translates as sonar on, sonar off, etc. But I think what they mean is picture on, picture off. Okay, but either way, it's confusing. It doesn't work. The one over here is the level of sound from there to there. Okay, I'm just having it around here, so it just beeps when you're approaching something. And this one, as I said, is picture off. Okay, and picture on. Now what that means is, when I'm going to I'll put a bin at the front and a bin at the back, and we're going to just check it. So when I'm driving, okay, there you go, the objects on the right hand side. If I put it into reverse, it tells me the objects are on both sides. So that's the way you set it. Now when you're wanting to come out of it, that's quite simple. This is a completion button, so when you're happy with what you've got, you complete it. Okay, that's a completed. Now one of the things that was annoying me was watching the map going around circles initially when I got this, but you can just switch it back onto, again, second button across here. Okay, second from the right, that brings you your stations, and you can go to this Auto P, which is the one I use. I just hold it down like that and it tunes in automatically the radio stations in there. So that's what I'm looking at. That's my screen that I usually look at. And as I said, you just get used to this. So you're going to have this vehicle for quite a long time. The only thing I actually miss is I do miss the sat nav. But saying that, I like the Waze sat nav, you know, and I think Waze gives you the location of the police, etc. when you're doing that. Back, actually, before I even go on that, I just want to show you that. But back to the parking sensors. When you're doing the parking sensors, make sure the little P sign in the bottom right inside next to the flashing light is your parking sensors on, and your parking sensor on switch is on the bottom there. You can see next to the room light, and that's the one that when you press it switches it on and off. Listen guys, that's a very quick lesson on setting up the sonars. I'm delighted with the way the sonars work. Just a lovely result on that, just by doing some small adjustments. I'll be talking about this head unit a little bit more as I get used to it, but I just want to show you that as a very quick way of setting up your sonar sensors.